Which old lady?
The helper at his house.
Oh, okay. The
Old lady.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
domestic.
that old lady was running. He calls her, Sasi. So old lady, relax. When she brings food to him, she kneels down. He calls her to come and pluck something here. She kneels. She kneels, both knees. I said, Julius, this is what white people did to our mothers.
Kulo nyaka ophelile uCIC uJulius Malema wayene-interview kanye noTsidi lo bekasebenzela i-Eyewitness News 702. Enkulumeni ababa nayo wathi noma ubani omsukelayo akasahluphi uvele aye enkantolo ayokusuwa. Ngaphambi basikhulume-ke ngalolu daba olubona la ku-screen sakho okusho ukuthi uJulius Malema usuwa uKhen Kunene ufuna amkhokhele 1 million. Ngicela uzwe la.
You see, I'm in court with Kenny Kunene for saying I smoked drugs. I took drugs of Nigerians or Mazodi, some nonsense like that. We was there in Western Cape. But you know our judiciary, it takes forever. So I took him to court. So now that you are raising that thing, I litigate a lot. I'm going to check that thing and look at where he's damaging my image, that one. I will take
Facebook Live.
Yeah, I will take him on. Because don't lie about me. You can throw the jabs on VBS and what. Look, politically I've learned to accept that we will deal with that for some time. But MK has never had to deal with that, even when people who were implicated in VBS went to MK.
Yeah.
So I take, but don't become personal. If you become personal, I will sue you. I don't play. I don't play games. I will sue you the following day. And effectively, I sued Kenny Kunene. When he called me a cockroach, I won. And then they said he must apologize. He said he's going to appeal. He delayed the appeal. I went to the appeals court to want to appeal to rule. In his absence, he ran. We're now at appeals court.
Mevike nadlule uKhen Kunene o-Deputy President we-PA yoku-Patriotic Alliance ophinde abo MMC we-Transport kwi-City of Johannesburg ube kwi-podcast and chill lapha bexoxa khona noMacG noSol. Enkulumeni yakhe abeyikhuluma bambuzile ngobudlane bakhe ne-EFF ngoba phela ukwaba imember i-EFF yini yamyekisa khona ziningi nje izinto azikhuluma kodwa enkulumeni yakhe uveza izinto ezithize ebesingazazi ezinye ngoJulius Malema. Okokuqala nje usitshele ngobudlelwane bukaJulius Malema kanye noKatiso KT Molefe. Siyazi ukuthi ungomunye wabantu abatholakala endlini kaKatiso KT Molefe ngesikhathi eboshwa. Kodwa yena mayisekhuluma lapha ya uthi uJulius Malema uyamuzwa manje ebiza uKT Molefe ngamagama kodwa lo muntu bekuyisayikeli yakhe. Umuntu obekayilink obukuyena bebahlanganisa beku umswazi wayenamatekisi okuyena umuntu wafounder iSantaco le organization enkulu emela ama-associations wonke lawa khona la eSouth Africa. Umswazi uyena munye wama-founders ayo iSantaco. uJulius Malema ekhuluma no Mzilikazi wa-Afrika wabuveza ubudlelwane bakhe nomswazi. Kodwa-ke ngaphambi kokuba sifike kulolu daba oluthi uJulius Malema usuwa uKhen Kunene ufuna imali engange-1 million. Ngifisa ukukucaphunela kuqala uze ukuthi utheni uKhen Kunene lena eholela ukuthi baze bafuna ukumsuwa manje. Uzwile ivideo esiyidlala lapho ushilo uJulius Malema wathi yena akadlali. Uma nje waba personally uyakusuwa.
I wanted to ask you with EFF, right?
Yeah.
Do you think Julius and Floyd can survive on their own, or they need each other?
They needed each other. Floyd once said to me when I said to him, but why do you allow Julius to treat you like this? We're at my house. Why do you allow Julius to treat you like this, bro? takes your women.
Hey, man.
You try to get a straight girl, he takes. Treats you like crap, man. And he said, I look at the bigger picture. I own half his brain. Which was true. Because I saw. Julius can think up to here. That thing of Danda head, of failing woodwork, is real. He can think up to here. He can't think past there. He needs someone to think past here. So Floyd was that person. Then Mbuyiseni came. Mbuyiseni was brought in by Floyd.
Oh, yes.
Yeah. So, yeah. No. Julius couldn't have known Mbuyiseni. The intellectual level is not the same. So it's Floyd that brought Mbuyiseni. So
And Mbuyiseni is the real deal. He's the real deal.
No, guy is an academic, is an intellectual of note. So they needed each other, but I think it got to a point where Floyd decided, no, let me walk away, right? But Floyd needed Julius's popularity. Julius needed Floyd's brains and academic capacity. Floyd reads, Floyd analyzes, he's an academia. So that is why when they separated, Julius, it was like he didn't know what is left, what is right. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah.
Because he took time to say, I know I'm strong, I don't care. He took time to say those words. Because this was a big blow for him. He never thought Floyd would walk away. But Floyd was at a point where he had to walk away. You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, 100%.
Because it was money, it was treatment,
All
was,
these things.
But in his walking away, he did not calculate very well. I think he took an emotional decision at that particular time. I think he should have waited. You see. But unfortunately, we don't talk much, so I couldn't advise him anymore. But if I were him, I would have said to him, don't leave yet. Stay.
It's not the time.
It's not the time. Had he stayed, Julius won the conference. And he still stayed. He was going to still be the deputy president. When Julius goes to prison in 3 months, he would have emerged. Why are you laughing?
He'll probably pay a fine, man. I don't see him doing a custodial sentence.
A fine.
Yeah, because it's either a fine or prison time. Custodial
Unlicensed
sentence.
firearm. Unlicensed ammunition. Unlicensed rifle. Fine.
He's got top lawyers, man. They'll somehow.
Ezinye zezinto lezi uKenny Kunene azisho ngesikhathi aye lapha ku-podcast and chill. Kodwa engicabanga ukuthi ingamfaka enkingeni kakhulu ile ayisho ukuthi uJulius Malema utreat umama omsebenzelayo njengesigqila. Uyambiza lo mama afuna ukuguqela phambi kwakhe amtreat nje noma kanjani. Leyo ayizange ihlale kahle. Noma ngathi uma ngenza ivideo kokuqala ngathi ngingathanda ukuvumelana no Kenny Kunene ngoba uJulius ngake ngambona ethethisa uFloyd phambi kwabantu kukhona amakhamera. Ngesikhathi ngangenza ivideo eqaleni ngayifaka leyo video. Kodwa lokho mhlawumbe kungaze kuholele ekuthenini bamsuwe njengoba emsuwe. Asithole le video le ayikhuluma khona ukuthi uJulius umtreathe kanjani lo mama bese sikhuluma indaba yokumsuwa kwakhe siyivala ivideo.
Which old lady?
The helper at his house.
Oh, okay. The
Old lady.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yes,
domestic.
that old lady was running. He calls her, Sasi. So old lady, relax. When she brings food to him, she kneels down. He calls her to come and plug something here. She kneels. She kneels, both knees. I said, Julius, this is what white people did to our mothers. That's why I say Julius envies white people. I can give you multiple examples.
Yeah.
He envies white people. I called him to order. They say, hey, Kenny, this is my house. Do your things your own way in your house.
Bola kwivideo sifake ekuqaleni uthe uJulius don't be personal. If uba personal uzokusuwa. Uthe don't be personal. Ungazikhuluma zonke ezinye izinto but don't be personal. Kungenzeka nakuba isona sizathu esenza ukuthi afune ukumsuwa. Angazi mina lento uthi iqiniso noma yilini iqiniso ukuthi utreata lo mama omsebenzelayo ngendlela asho ngayo Kenny Kunene ukuthi umtreata njengesigqila, umtreata njengendlela amabhuna ayitreata ngayo abantu abami. Kodwa iDaily Sun isazisile ukuthi uJulius Malema uhambile waye enkantolo wayovulela uKenny Kunene icala udemanda 1 million for ama damages awenze egameni lakhe. Kodwa nje mawukhumbula inkulumo yasekuqaleni uthe uJulius ungakusho konke but don't be personal. Waba personal uzokusuwa. Kungenzeka na ukuba into emsuse phansi amenza ukuthi awumsuwa ngoba uyazibona lezo mswazi zobani kodwa le eshuo la mhlawumbe yona emsuse phansi angazi ngiyacabangela. Kwivideo eyandulela lesifakile uthe uJulius bekathatha intombi zika Floyd. Asazi kuyiqiniso kangakanani kodwa phela babe bonke kusungulwa iEFF bayazi bona ibona futhi abazana kangcono. Ngicela siyibambe le video. Cela kodwa ukuze ukuphawula kwakho. Siza ukuthi uthini ngoba ukufunda le article yeDaily Sun angeke kusisize kwamanje ubudaba lakhona lisazo enkantolo. Inkantolo ibilalela uhlangothi lika Kenny Kunene iphinde ilalela uhlangothi lika CIC bese emveni kwalapho ithatha isinqumo esobe sisho ukuthi funa kwenziwe njani. Kodwa nje bengikwazi sakhona ukuthi uCIC uJulius Malema usuwa uKenny Kunene ufuna i1 million for ama damages. Mina nawe sidibana kwivideo landelayo ngiyabonga.